Winter is coming, and what better way to start it but to spice up those winter outfits? In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips and tricks on how to elevate your winter style, from statement pieces to cozy essentials. Get ready to stay warm and stylish this winter. Let's start with hats. Hats are a great way to add some personality to your winter outfit. Not only do they keep your head and ears warm, but they can also make a stylish statement. My favorite types of hats for winter are beanies. These are great for casual, everyday wear. Look for ones made from soft, warm materials like wool or fleece. Fedoras. These are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Try pairing one with a cozy sweater and scarf. Pom-pom hats. These are so much fun. They add a playful touch to any outfit and are perfect for winter sports or activities. Some tips for styling hats. Balance a bold hat with simpler clothing. Mix and match different textures like wool and faux fur. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and positions. Next up, let's talk about scarves. Scarves are another amazing way to add some personality and style to your winter outfit. Not only do they keep your neck warm, but they can also add a pop of color and texture to your look. My favorite types of scarves for winter are wool scarves. These are great for colder climates. Look for ones made from soft, thick wool that will keep you cozy. Faux fur scarves. These are perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your outfit. Try pairing one with a simple coat and hat. Plaid scarves. These are a classic winter staple. Look for ones with bold, bright colors to add some visual interest to your outfit. Some tips for styling scarves. Experiment with different knots and ties to add some visual interest. Mix and match different textures like wool and faux fur. Don't be afraid to layer a scarf over a coat or sweater for added warmth and style. Now, let's move on to jackets. Jackets are a crucial part of any winter outfit. Not only do they keep you warm, but they can also make a stylish statement. My favorite types of jackets for winter are parkas. These are great for colder climates. Look for ones with a waterproof and breathable material like nylon or polyester. Puffer jackets. These are perfect for adding a touch of sporty chic to your outfit. Try pairing one with a simple sweater and jeans. Trench coats. These are a classic winter staple. Look for ones made from a waterproof material like cotton or polyester. Some tips for styling jackets. Balance a bold jacket with simpler clothing. Mix and match different textures like wool and nylon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and patterns. Finally, let's talk about boots. Boots are a winter wardrobe essential. Not only do they keep your feet warm and dry, but they can also add a stylish touch to any outfit. My favorite types of boots for winter are knee-high boots. These are great for adding a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Try pairing them with a dress or skirt. Ankle boots. These are perfect for everyday wear. Look for ones with a low heel or flat sole for added comfort. Snow boots. These are a must-have for colder climates. Look for ones with a waterproof material and good grip to keep you stable on icy surfaces. Some tips for styling boots. Balance a bold boot with simpler clothing. Mix and match different textures like leather and suede. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heights and styles. And there you have it, my top tips and tricks for spicing up your winter outfit. From hats to scarves, jackets to boots, I hope you found some inspiration to stay warm and stylish this winter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. Happy styling, and I'll see you in the next video.